Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can flatten texts in your Inkscape documents and canvases. So let us get started. So navigate to your example, or let me navigate to my example document and show you here with this text box how it works. So insert your text box by using the text tool on the left hand side, and after that type in your text, resize it if needed. And after that, left click into the text box and select path here at the top and use flatten. You may also use the shortcut Shift F for that. For example, you may combine that also with another object. Like for example, I don't know, let me go with that image here. Select both of them. And then click into flatten here. Well, let me just move it closer to that text box. Again, click into it. Select path, flatten, and then you will see the effect here. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.